Look who's excited for a walk. Sala ni saya ho, wait lang. Excited na saya ho sa ako niya. Okay, just give it. Wait lang. Okay, sit. Baby, sit. Good boy. Ay, another one. Another one, baby. This one. Good boy. Ay, what the heck? Excited. Basta wait lang. Wait lang, okay? Be patient, okay? Be patient, bebe. Wait lang. Ano naman? Ay, okay. Okay, bebe. Wait lang. I think this is upside down. Look, oh. Supposed to be gonna be like this. And supposed to be down, this one. Okay, wait lang, baby! Wait lang! Okay, again. Baby, come here! Come here! Okay, let's go. Wait! Okay, sit here. Sit, baby, sit. Sit down. Okay, put your legs here. Good boy. Another. Ay! Earlier, it's easy. Wait lang. We're gonna go. But you need to put your harness. Ay! Okay, if you don't want, you need to put your harness. Boy, you're giving me a hard time.
Max.
Sige, wait lang. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Excited na ni saya ho? Ikaw, baby. Everyone. Okay, saan? Ay! You! Come on! Sit! Okay. Put your legs. Another one. This one. This one, baby. Oh.
This was pretty good. I don't know how I keep these dumbbell boxes in my pantry. I would totally make
This
this.
one, it's the wrong way. Wait lang. Wait lang, because your arms, it's not in a proper position. Excited na ni saya ho? Yeah! Wait lang! Kalichiga siya lang tungayo ho. Okay. Hey, you need to walk slowly because you're heavy, bala. Di ka makadto. No, you're not gonna ride in the car. We're gonna go for a walk. Let's go, Paxi. Let's go. Pinsay mo sakay sa salakyan niya. Oh. Come on, baby. Let's go. Pinsay mo sakay sa salakyan. Mag-walk tayo nga duwa, ya. Foxy. Slow down, baby. Tired. Ada kami di sa middle school. Hey, Foxy. It's a long walk. Let's go.